Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're whipping up a delightful treat, milk custard steamed egg. Let's dive right in. Start by whisking together eggs and sugar until well combined. Then pour in some fresh milk and mix until smooth. Transfer the mixture into a bowl and place it in a steamer. Steam over high heat for about 12 minutes and voila! Indulging in a homemade dessert like this is truly its own reward. Milk custard steamed egg is not only quick and simple to make, but it's also incredibly smooth, sweet, and packed with that delightful milky flavor. Give this recipe a try and share your thoughts with me. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.